Are you stuck in reading and understanding long Excel file just to get an essence of the dataset and want a way out? Then don't worry, your wait is over. To help people see and understand data in more attractive and intuitive way, there is a software known as Tableau. So here I am, Samarth Singh Pundir, 19BCE0804, student of VIT Well Law, to help you to cover the basics of how to use the Tableau Desktop. So in order to cover the basic of Tableau, I have taken a data set named road accident. The data is taken from a government site and the link of where the data set is present will be given in the description box. So basically, this data set contains the number of deaths and injuries caused in a road accident from 2014 to 2017. The data set is for all state union territories in India which were present at that time. The data set has also have an edit measure. There are two files which have the weather details and the road condition details and the number of accidents for each specific case. So now let's start. So right now I am at the home screen of the Tableau Desktop. So if now I have to load the file of the data set, so I will go to more. So I have previously, the directory box has been open. So I was previously in that folder. You can go to anywhere where you can go to the destination where your folder is present. Now I will choose my CSV file and now I will open. So now that file has been loaded into Tableau. You can see the data set has been loaded. All the states are here and all the attributes are also present here. So now let's start our visualization. To start, we will go to worksheet. So now we are on the worksheet. So basically you are seeing on the left side of my screen that is state UT and cloudy, sea dust storm. So these are the attributes. But there is a slight difference in them. It is in the blue icon, it is with the green icon. So what are these icons? Basically there are 7 data types in Tableau and these icons are different for every data type. So here the blue icon is for dimensions and the green icon is for the measure. These are used to consider when we are making a graph. So see, you can see for tree maps, 1 or more dimensions is required and 1 or 2 measure. Similarly, for every graph or map or pie charts, it is present in the show me. Now I will just see what will happen if I drag and drop it into the sheet. The state UT, it will show. So you can see country, India's map has been loaded. And now if I will hover my mouse over it, you can see it's showing the name. Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Now I want to change it into like a more filler way. So I will go to show me. There is an option for maps. I will go to it. So now see, it's a different way to present it. Now if I want to change the color of it, I will go to color. There are many color options available. I will go to just click on green. And if I want to change the transparency of it, like see what happened, 0, it's back normal gray. Now I will go to 100%, that's green. Now if I want to, then I want some more details when I hover my mouse on a state, like not the name, just little bit more. Like if I want to know the total accident due to the rainy weather, so I will just go to rainy weather. Here it is, the rainy total accidents. I will just drag it and drop it here. So now you can see the colors have been changed for different states. The darkest color is in Kerala, so which means the darker is the color, the more the accidents have been caused due to the rainy weather at that state. So you can see it here also. The bar has given 0 for the lightest and 6902, which is the greatest, has been the darkest color. So now you can, and now when I hover it, you can see the name of you can see the number of the total accident. That is for Uttar Pradesh, that is 3168. For Madhya Pradesh, that is 3931. For Jammu and Kashmir, it's 77. Similarly for every state. Now still I can change the color of it. I will go edit color. I can go and just can choose purple, and I will click OK. So now it's changed into purple. Now if I want to change and add one more detail, I just don't want, like if I want to change, I just want another like cloudy, not rainy. So I will just double click on it, remove. Now it's again green. I want it cloudy, total accident, and again drop it. So now I will get cloudy, and I think now the cloudy most cloudy where most total accidents due to cloudy weather is in Uttar Pradesh. It is 2107. So now I have to change the name of the sheet. I will just go double click and change it into India map. It has been changed. Now I want to make the graph, bar plot, box plot, which we study in our data visualization subjects. So now for that I will just drag and drop the state routine column, and if I wanted to make of it may be foggy, total accidents in foggy, I will just drag and drop it here. So you can see a bar chart is present, but it is not filled in the whole sheet. So for that I will just say standard, I will put it into entire view. I have now created a bar chart. Now if I want more, I can create it into packed bubbles. See, the bigger the bubble is, the bigger the accidents have happened due to that reason, that weather. Similarly, box and mixer plot, we'll put it in an entire view. There are many, you can try as much as. Now see, you can see that rotation, I don't like this rotation, I want to change it. So I will just go here and click. So that's the desired way I want it. Now, the main reason to use Tableau is to use dashboard to present the data in a very great manner. So for that I will create a parameter. So here I am creating a parameter. I am changing its name to weather type. Weather type. I will change data type to string list, and I want the comparison between rainy and snow fall, because these are the weathers in which the accidents occurrence are most likely to be happen. So I am just now putting here. Now my parameter has been created. Now I have to go to analysis and go to create calculated field. Now I'll write code for it. So now I'll just write weather type, and now case, not cases, case, and then weather type, name of the parameter. Now I will write code here. When it's raining, then show rainy total accidents in 2016. This means here. And when snowfall, then total accidents snowfall. And I will now end this code. I will apply and OK. Now I will again put state duty in the column, drag and drop it. And now you can see I have created a weather type. So here it is created. I will drag and drop it into here. So now you can see it is created. Now I will click on the parameter. I will use show parameter. So now it's weather type. The bar chart is different. Now I will use snowfall, and it's different because snowfall is happening in Himachal Pradesh, Jammu, Kashmir, and these two. So you can see where the snowfall due to and rainy. Now to create our main reason to create to use the Tableau is to use the dashboard. Now using the dashboard, I have to just click it here. Now firstly I will drag India map and put it here. Then I will put the sheet 3 in which I have created that parameter. Now I will use, see, you can see here I can still change it to rainfall and rainy, and here here I can choose between the cloudy. So I can show the 3 things which I want to show it right now. And now I will use dashboard action. There is one interesting feature about it. I will add an action, a filter. Now in the source sheet I will just put India map because I want to take input. I want to give an input in India map and want an output from sheet 3. So, and I will in run action on I will use select and then OK. And then OK. Now see, if I now it's showing like for rainy and for snowfall for every state. Now, but I want to see it for a particular. If I want to know like in Haryana is there any snowfall or not, Haryana. So see is 0. So there is no accident due to there because of snowfall. Similarly, Jammu Kashmir. See it is there. You can see it for like snowfall, for rainy, Jammu Kashmir there. And I know Kerala have most of the rain. So see, it's 7K. It's reaching 7K. Similarly, Uttar Pradesh. But if I choose now snowfall, no, nothing. There's no snowfall in Uttar Pradesh. So see, now we have seen how to use Tableau. Basically, cover the basics of Tableau by like using in the sheets and you seeing the different types of the graph, bar chart, box plot, many more. It just go if you want to use more. Show me. You can see there are many. So, and one more thing, if you want to add a data set, like if you're working on and you want to add, it's just simple, go here. You will again ask to add a data set, go to a file. You will go to, if I want to choose this, road accident 2017 and issue table. I will just open it. See, I got another one. And if I now click on a sheet, it will work on this data set. So basically we have covered the main reason to use Tableau was to show the data in more interactive and intuitive way. And I think like to reading an Excel file about that accidents happen due to which weathers at which states at how much rate, it is the better way to see it. You can just track, you can click. If I want whole countries. See, I have all just Kerala rainy, and for snowfall it's Jammu Kashmir. So I think you may have learned something about the basics of it. Thank you.